Hi, I'm Nathan Eckhoff. I am a aerospace graduate student here at UCF.
Hello, my name is Youna. I'm 22 and I am currently doing my internship at the FSI.
My name is Émile Deutsch. I'm a French intern at the University of Central Florida, especially at the Florida Space Institute.
I'm Drew Barrier. I'm a junior aerospace engineering major at UCF, and I work at FSI, Florida Space Institute.
During my internship at the FSI, I worked on the design and the construction of CubeSats as part of the Nanosatellite program.
The University Nanosatellite program is a partnership between the Air Force Research Labs Space Vehicle Directorate and several other sponsors, governmental agencies that sponsor the organization of this program. This is the second year that teams from around the country from various colleges write proposals for developing a CubeSat.
A group of students was able to attend workshop sessions in person out in Albuquerque, while I was on the online component where I watched videos, as well as helped support the team between other online students who are located back here in Florida at FSI headquarters and the team out in Albuquerque. For this summer workshop, I helped branch the two teams together, the team who was here online, as well as the team out in Albuquerque.
In Albuquerque, we spent 7 weeks. Basically, it was a crash course in satellite systems engineering. Myself, Deanna, and Shem, my teammates, we basically worked full-time for the summer every day with workshops on various subsystems of the satellite.
I had the opportunity during these few months to do many things, starting from 3D modeling through SolidWorks to heat analysis. Also, I had the opportunity to work on orbit determination with the software STK.
STK was a software I really wanted to use before coming in Florida. So this internship gave me the opportunity to use it a lot, which was really cool and interesting.
We proposed a satellite called CuTOC, CubeSat Translator for Optical Comms. Basically, we're using a laser produced by a special chip out of the College of Optics, Creole, that they've developed. We want to use that chip to produce a special laser called an optical frequency comb, and we're going to use that optical frequency comb to translate optical signals.
Every satellites are communicating with specific frequencies, so the goal would be to implement a chip that would be able to translate every incoming signals and to change the incoming frequencies in order to be understood. I had many offers of internship, but none of them was really matching my ambition and my goals. And someone directed me to Dr. Julie Brisset, which offered me the opportunity to work on the CuTOC.
I first learned about the University Nanosat program summer workshop from a professor that I was taking a class with in spring 2024. When his proposal was not accepted, I redirected my attention to the Florida Space Institute, Dr. Julie Brisset, as well as Audrey Durham, to see if I could join the project.
So during my research, I came across an article mentioning a planetary scientist from the FSI. So I sent him an email for my internship, and he referred me to Julie Brisset, who offered me this internship.
FSI's director, Julie Brisset, she initiated the writing of the proposal for the program and basically gauged interest in the lab into what students would be interested in, going out to Albuquerque for the summer and taking part in the program.
This opportunity does allow students to properly network with professionals who have launched many CubeSats before.
There wasn't any day where I didn't learn something about the space industry or the software I used.
A lot of people were there to help us, even if they don't work on the CubeSats, such as Michael, Audrey, Julie, and Patty. They were always asking if we need help. So I don't know, I found it amazing that everybody is there working and helping us if we need it.
Everyone here at FSI is pretty passionate about space, and speaking for myself, I thought I knew what a satellite was, but after having gone through the UNP program, it's been extremely educational, and I'd argue beneficial to all of us here, as it gave us more of a understanding in all the different subsystems that make up a satellite. And yeah, we know a good path forward, and we're currently working on a proposal to try and secure more funding so that we can continue building CuTOC.